Blizzard World. Prepare your defense.
Oh, you know, chillin', killing.
Select your hero.
The huge.
You think they'll have a far on this map?
True self.
Yeah, or a widow or some shit.
Walk in harmony.
Thank you.
I ain't much for weight class.
It is not my preference to see
You wanna go upstairs?
15 and 45.
Seems good.
I mean, if we got double hit scan, might as well, right?
in 30 seconds.
A chance to focus.
Yeah, you can try to flashbang dive and stuff.
Go not.
Hold up. Greetings.
Greetings.
The healers are just gonna ride the rides. Is that okay?
5,
That counts.
3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Well, that was an accidental fire strike, so just testing the button.
You scared him.
Arista Winston,
And a Hanzo.
Shield Taft.
Hanzo's coming to the left.
How's it going?
Winston. I miss him.
I got a ground shooter.
We're going in.
Okay.
Traces.
Where's half? Got her.
Tank some heals.
I'm down. I'm coming right back.
Alright, we're chilling. What the fuck? What just hit me?
Scatter?
I didn't see it.
Yeah, Zen's half.
My shield's down.
Got more on the
Shit, they're on the right.
fucking.
Well, that's not good. Winston, backline. Tracer.
Got her.
Experience
Touch point, Winston. Motherfucker. Hanzo's one hit. Nice.
Still got
Still need help, still need help.
Arissa Moira on the right. Arissa,
Oh, and Winston's there.
Winston's too.
Guys, touch point. Yeah. Super
Yeah,
winnable,
we got
super
that.
winnable. Just go in.
Trying to install. Yeah.
You got this.
We need a reaver.
Nice. Oh, I saw that, dude. I fucking saw that, dude. Oh, fucking man.
Moira.
everyone begins with ignorance.
Alright, here we go. Now we're
Did they
warmed
use
up.
any ults other than Winston?
I think they did.
I feel like the Arista did, but I can't be sure.
Yo, this Hanzo though. This Winston's about to jump right now.
Why do our two DPS keep going the same kind of DPS? We need the variety.
Winston. Fuck.
Repetition is the path to mastery.
You want a what? What do you want?
Reaper.
Maybe, yeah.
Alright.
Moira
I need
one.
heal so bad. Winston backline.
Break shield if you can.
Oh god.
Fuck.
60 seconds remaining.
Motherfucking Hanzo, dude.
I know.
Yeah, Hanzo counters Tracer also, so yeah, thank you.
Objective lost. Stop the payload.
And their Winston is gonna counter.
Yeah, I just wanted to
Genji.
challenge the point. It actually worked out really well there.
Yeah, I really
I
did.
think
But
Tracer is pretty good.
motherfucker, I'm gonna die.
Yeah, this fucking Hanzo's insane.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Hanzo's a motherfucker.
I'm gonna go
Motherfucker.
Aura if he can give me an orb every once in a while.
I welcome adversity. Join me.
Genji, maybe you should go Reaper, yeah, and then the Fair. Cause I like the Fair idea.
I'm not good on Reaper. I just want to get this Hanzo off the top.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, Winston was good.
He's low
is
here.
one?
Oh,
Nope.
no, he's got a...
Motherfucker.
Now he's low.
I need help. I'm an idiot. Alright, I'm gonna go Winston. Nice.
My will made real. Not ready.
Fuck you, Hanzo. Nice.
Yeah, if you could keep the healing orb on Farah, Zen. I can't really heal her.
Acknowledge.
Chamos with the Zen. Yeah, I figured that was risky, but
Moira by herself ulting.
This will protect us.
My
Bearing the
thanks.
damage. Allow me to repair the damage.
In anger.
60 seconds remaining.
Winston.
thank
The
you.
healing orb on Farah.
Nice. Chase 1 point.
Tranquility.
Oh, thank you for helping out with that, Hanzo.
30 seconds remaining.
Let's go.
My ultimate is ready. Let's get it.
Okay, just hang back and wait a second. I've got ult.
This will protect us.
10 seconds.
Winston's up here. Alright, they're going to point.
I hit Genji. Oh shit, I need orb.
Experience tranquility.
Kill the healer. Alright, Genji. Motherfucker. Get Moira.
Nice.
Nice.
Pain is an excellent.
Blah. Let's go.
Score 0-1. Switching sides. Prepare to attack.
I want to see if that works again.
I gotta play Ryan for this first push.
Still don't know what I like to play on this map. It's so weird to me still.
Yeah, it's definitely
Yeah, I definitely
But yeah.
despise this map.
Let's try to clear off top right first before we try to push point.
Without fault.
Okay. I'll try to get behind Larissa's shield.
I live for
This will restore you.
Resources standing around. Glory to be won.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Remember your training, and we'll get through this just fine.
Get off the stage.
We shall prove ourselves in glorious combat.
Understood. What an interesting life.
Alright, here we go.
1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Yeah, they have Orion on top right.
Alright, we're just gonna go around this corner and go right. Go up the stairs. Watch out for Reaper. Watch out for Reaper.
Yeah.
No Wraith. Nice. Oh god. No fuck. Oh shit.
Oh yeah, regroup.
Yeah, I
Alright,
can't
died
find
early on there because of the Hanzo. I might have to switch off of this if he keeps fucking me up.
Reaper might be really good.
Begins anew.
I guess actually Far's fine too.
Yeah, I mean, theoretically, Far's a good pick. Well, if he keeps picking you, though, we'll adapt.
Yeah, I'm 100% up for
Are we ready?
switching off. Let me just
Just make sure we keep the healing orb on him.
Going right. Reaper's upstairs. Come on.
Thank you. I'll try to go for a boop.
Oh, we're going in.
Alright, Moira's down. Alright.
With the news.
Oh god. Ryan's low.
The Hanzo.
Oh god. Who's fine? Reaper. Oh wow, they have Roadhog. I haven't even seen him. He is sneaking. Zen, maybe you should swap to something with better survivability after your ult. Alright, that's a pick.
Close to Barrage.
Down.
Hurry
Yeah,
back.
let's group.
Yeah, let's get sick.
Go in.
Don't
We
go
got
in yet.
Reaper down.
Are you sure?
Okay, sure.
I'm coming.
Can you give me a healing orb and just leave it on me for a minute?
I got ult. Come here, yo. Come on.
Ryan's by himself on the top right.
Join me in glory.
There's a orb coming your way, Pharaoh.
Moira.
Okay. Alright, good job.
Moira.
Still, thank you. You're broken. Jesus.
I got you. Moira, kill Moira. There we go. Get out of here, Genji. Reaper? No Wraith.
Just in case.
Alright, here we go.
Escort the payload.
I'm driving this fucking payload.
I don't think I want to do Reaper for the payload though.
Far, my man.
Yeah.
Safely to destination.
Yeah, just drive it 3 on the whole time. Genji's up there. Zen's on Main Street.
They're all up there. Ryan's up there.
There is chaos.
Oh wow.
He might be looking for a cheeky shatter. Oh, someone's one.
Drop down.
Moira.
Ryan, get him.
No, fuck.
The outcome is
It's a motherfucker, that's how.
They wasted.
try to start watching
They
the
wasted
top
transcendence on that, right there.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh god, I almost got the Zen.
Ryan has shatter for
into the eyes.
Yeah, he does. Reaper's on the right. My shield broke.
I welcome adversity.
Genji.
Tranquility.
Watch on your right. Reaper on the right.
Thank you, Lord.
Moira's one hit. Alright, here we go.
Mecha activated.
Allow me to repair the damage.
We're almost there.
Reaper up top.
Yeah,
He's gonna hop down. He's hopping down for an ult.
I got Matrix, it's okay.
Reaper on point.
Oh, Shatter, fucked.
Oh, fuck.
We got time for another fight.
Yeah, they have him for free. But I have Barrage. Let me try to use it first.
Diva, she's on you.
He was on me, yeah.
Oh, nice. We should have let you.
Nope. I'm right there though.
Alright, get out.
Try to regroup. We have one good fight. We'll have like 4 ults once we get in.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
No.
Guys, back up, just back up.
Can you go Mercy first? You almost have ult, I guess.
60 seconds remaining.
Reload is stopped. Let's get it moving.
If you went Mercy right now, this would be over.
Group.
We got 2 more spawns this way.
Hey, my student.
As soon as shield breaks, let me know. Oh, it's double? Wait, they have Winston now? What the heck?
Alright, come on. We're going up top?
Touch from afar.
No, we're going main.
Let's go.
Just go main.
Right now.
That healing on Farah, please.
30 seconds remaining.
Oh, fuck.
I was dropping down.
Reaper every single fucking time. Then you gotta swap. Up Zen.
We have 15 seconds.
Yeah.
We're gonna make it.
Just swapped off Zen a while ago, but whatever.
10
Let's go.
seconds.
Touch points you can.
Running out. Push them back.
I don't think I'm gonna make it.
Shit.
Defeat.
Man, we gotta learn to adapt.
Yeah.